This video is made by Taru Leading Edge in support with the Climate and Development Knowledge Network to understand the urban heat island effect. In peak summer days, one often experiences a sudden increase in temperature on the roads or surfaces in the urban areas. The intensity of the heat increases as you enter the city, and you feel the need of switching on the air conditioning. Have you experienced this phenomena? If the answer is yes, then it is the urban heat island effect which makes you feel these heat effects. So, what is urban heat island? Urban heat island is the increase in temperature of dense urban areas compared to its surrounding rural areas. The temperature difference is usually felt at night than day and is most apparent when winds are weak. What leads to the formation of heat island? The most common reason for the formation of urban heat island is the absorption of heat by built-up areas and surfaces instead of reflecting them in the daytime. Heat islands form when vegetation gets replaced by impervious surfaces like asphalt and concrete for infrastructure provision to accommodate the growing population. Other reasons for the formations of heat islands are density of the city. Cities develop horizontally and vertically, which leads to obstruction of the wind flow and an increase in temperatures. Urban desert. Cities have become virtual deserts with fewer trees, green spaces, and less absorption of water on the surface. This causes a lack of evapotranspiration. Anthropogenic activities. Burning of fossil fuels and other construction activities release heat, which increases the air temperature. Urban pollution. The smog that covers urban areas prevents outgoing thermal radiation from escaping. How does urban heat island effect impact human beings? The urban heat island leads to a rise in temperatures which causes discomfort. This discomfort is mostly felt during the early period of summer. A sudden change in temperature instead of a gradual increase might affect many who are less prepared for that change. Young children and elder people are more prone to this effect. According to WHO, anthropogenic warmings claim more than 150,000 lives on an annual basis, of which vulnerable groups form a major chunk. Urban heat island has a direct impact on the amount of cooling energy consumption worldwide. How can we reduce the urban heat island effect? There are several mitigation strategies curbing the urban heat island effect that impacts climate locally as well as globally, such as trees and vegetation. Plantation of trees and vegetation are the simplest ways for reducing urban heat island effect. They reduce the surface temperature by providing shade and evapotranspiration. Green roofs. The strategy of green roofs can be used to reduce roof surface temperature and provide thermal comfort. They also help in filtering particulate matter from the atmosphere. Urban microforest. Urban microforest is a collection of trees that grow within a city, town, or suburb. Trees in urban system provide a variety of services, including biodiversity conservation, removal of atmospheric pollutants, oxygen generation, noise reduction, mitigation of urban heat island effect, microclimate regulation, prevention of soil erosion, and carbon sequestration. With these realistic strategies, it is possible to suppress the effects of the urban heat island in cities. These practices will also help overcome the effect of air pollution and harmful emissions.